After the whirlwind of festivities, it's time to indulge in a little self-care. Imagine a warm shower, a fragrant candle, and your favorite soothing music. Start by gently taking off that beautiful but heavy makeup. Let your skin breathe again, embracing its natural radiance. You are already stunning, just the way you are. We all know how magical and chaotic the festive season can be, but now it's your moment to breathe, relax, and rejuvenate. Now it's time to detox. Water is your best friend. Sip on some herbal tea or simply relish in a glass of water. It's like a cleanse for your body, washing away the excesses of those tempting sweets and treats. Don't forget to hydrate your soul as well. Take a few moments to meditate or just read a book. Inhale positivity and exhale stress. Let your thoughts find serenity. And remember, beauty is not just in the cosmetics, it's in your kindness, your grace, and the twinkle in your eyes.